sorry, I'm infected, I'm contagious. I think I have the flu or something, or maybe I'm gonna turn into a zombie. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know, maybe it's contagious. Anyway, let's play infected mingle. So, you guys know the mingle, the regular mingle, where mingle, 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 stop! Oh, hello! High five!
High five! Hello! How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Excellent. So that is the regular mingle. Now, infected mingle is different. For infected mingle, where we mingle, we say, oh, hello, but we shake hands. Hello, hello, hello. Now, in this group, one person is infected and is going to spread the disease. How? When we say hello, if I'm infected, I'm going to scratch the inside of her hand. Okay, so mingle, mingle. Hello. Now she's infected. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Mingle, mingle. And now she's infected and she's gonna spread the disease too. So, one thing I did so no one knows who is the person who's infected, I've put infected on one of the cards, okay? No one knows that here. So, for this version of mingle, we're athletes, okay? And we don't want to get the flu because we're going for the Olympics. So, and we're thinking, hey, here we go. Barbecue ribs.
Barbecue ribs.
Chicken and broccoli.
Chicken and broccoli.
A chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake.
A pepperoni pizza.
A pepperoni pizza.
Salmon and rice.
Salmon and rice.
Okay, now we're gonna think. Hey, do you think it's a good meal for athlete?
Do you think it's a good meal for athletes?
No, I don't think it's a good meal for athlete.
No, I don't think it's a good meal for athletes.
Oh, yes, I think it's a good meal for athletes.
Yes, I think it's a good meal for athletes.
So, these are target sentences. Let's mingle and see how the disease spreads around the group, okay? So, everybody, pick a card. Can I have a card, please?
Can I have a card,
please?
Yes, you can. Get it, hide it.
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can.
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can.
Can I have a card, please?
Can I have a card, please?
I think Olivia is the one who's infected. Okay, and so we don't know who's infected. And mingle, 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 mingle. Stop! Stop! Oh, hello!
Hello! Do you think it's a good meal for athletes?
Salmon and rice. I think it's a good meal for athletes. Yes, yes.
Okay.
I have
No, I don't think it's a
big
good meal for
barbecue
athletes.
ribs. Do you think it's a good meal for athletes?
I think it's a good meal for athletes.
Okay. Okay, ready? And mingle, 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 mingle. Stop! Hello!
Do you think barbecue ribs is a good meal for athletes? Yes,
I don't think it's a good meal for athletes. No.
No, I don't think pepperoni pizza is a good meal for athletes. No.
No, it's not. And now, round number 3. Only 3 rounds. We'll see why. And mingle, 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 mingle. Stop! Oh, we did that already. Oh, hello!
Do you think barbecue ribs is a good meal for athletes?
No, I don't think it's a good meal for athletes. Do you think barbecue ribs are a good meal for athletes?
Salmon and rice.
Yes.
No, I don't think chocolate is a good meal for athletes.
And now we stop. No matter the size of the group, okay? You stop after 3 rounds of mingle. And now let's see. If you are infected, raise your hand. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Olivia managed to infect 3 persons in the group.
Oh, 2.
Ooh, well, 2 yeah, you're already infected. Now, we're safe, okay? Because you know the infection can spread really fast in a big group because you multiply by 2 every time.
Yeah,
so,
we had 1 round where we were back together.
Yes, that happens, but we're safe from the disease, okay?
Great.
So, infected mingle or zombie mingle, whatever you want to call it. A little twist on a game we really all love. Okay, bye.
Bye.